Hi everybody, welcome to another Danzlink review. This is my Lasko 16-inch 1500 watt ceramic tower heater. I love this heater. It's got a lot of functions and a lot of versatility. First off, it's not too big. It's 16 inches, but it's powerful, 1500 watts. You can lift it with one hand. It's got a nice carrying handle in the back. It weighs less than 4 pounds. Speaking of convenient, everything you do on this can be done from a remote control. There's also a nice panel up here that tells you what everything is once you're doing it, and you can control everything also with these 4 buttons down here. The cord is 6 feet long. It's a substantial cord. It's heavy. It feels almost rubberized a little bit. It's 2 prongs, so it's polarized, but it's not grounded. And I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. One thing I like about this, when you plug it in, you get a beep and a red light comes on, so you know it's working. You can turn it on here, and you can see it's on high and max. If I want to turn down the temperature, I press the little thermometer looking button. 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, and max. We're going to set it to 75. It has a high and low function for the fan. Low, high, and max, excuse me. Also, it oscillates, so if I set it down flat and press that button, it'll kind of broadcast the heat all across the room. Now, speaking of room, this is built for small to medium-sized rooms, 300 square feet or less, which is most rooms in your house. It has overheat circuit protection, electronic, so if it ever senses it's overheating, it'll shut down, and there is a way for you to reset the heater, so don't worry about that. Everything I just did on the front, you can do with this handy remote that runs off of 2 AAA batteries. This is the Lasko 1500 watt 16-inch tower ceramic heater. Hope this review helps. Thanks for watching.